Welcome back to Explore Error. Today I will show you how to disable virtualization-based security on Windows 11. This can help improve gaming performance on Windows 11, but it will also reduce some built-in security features. Only continue if you understand the risks and are okay with lowering your system's security. This is usually recommended only for gaming or testing performance. To begin, click on the search bar and type Regedit, then open Registry Editor. In the address bar, enter the following path. I will also leave it in the description: HKey local machine /system /current control set /control /device guard. On the right-hand side, right-click, select New, then choose DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Enable Virtualization-Based Security. Then double-click on it and set the value to 0. After that, restart your PC. All done. This should disable virtualization-based security. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video.